Tasty garlic bites. Ingredients: garlic cloves, 1 cup, peeled and cleaned. Onion, 1/2 small, finely chopped, optional. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, adjust to taste. Black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt, to taste. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Oil, for deep frying. Fresh coriander leaves, for garnish. Step 1. Prepare the garlic. Peel the garlic cloves carefully. Wash them thoroughly and pat dry. Use fresh garlic for a strong flavor. Don't use old or sprouted garlic, it can taste bitter. If cloves are large, cut them in half so they cook evenly. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. Don't use very high heat, garlic can burn easily. Overheated oil makes garlic brown outside but stay raw inside. Step 3. Fry the garlic. Carefully drop garlic cloves into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown. Remove and drain on paper towels. Stir occasionally for even frying. Don't leave garlic unattended, it burns very fast. Golden brown garlic gives a perfect crispy texture and aroma. Step 4. Make the sauce. In a separate pan, heat 1 teaspoon oil. Sauté chopped onions, optional, until translucent. Add red chili powder, black pepper, and salt. Stir for a few seconds. Add soy sauce and ketchup. Mix well to form a sticky sauce. Keep the sauce thick, it should coat the garlic well. Don't add water, it will make the sauce runny. If spices are cooked for too long, they can develop a burnt taste. Step 5. Mix garlic with sauce. Add the fried garlic to the saucepan. Toss gently for 20 to 30 seconds so the sauce coats every clove. Stir carefully to avoid breaking the garlic. Don't overcook in the sauce, garlic can become soft or bitter. Use a non-stick pan to prevent sticking and keep garlic intact. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Transfer garlic bites to a serving dish. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve immediately while crispy. Common mistakes and fixes. Burned garlic. Fry on medium heat and watch carefully. Bland flavor. Use fresh garlic and a balanced mix of chili, soy sauce, and ketchup. Soft garlic. Don't overcook in sauce, coat quickly and serve. Runny sauce. Avoid adding extra water, sauce should be sticky. Smart tips. Air fryer version. Fry garlic at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes for less oil and crispy bites. Sweet and spicy twist. Add 1 teaspoon honey to the sauce. Storage. Keep in an airtight container, flavor improves the next day. Your tasty garlic bites are ready now. Your support means a lot. Hit like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.